1.1 A time to believe. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds, to know the wonder of a stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. Stardust means having a magical quality. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand, for it is through their teachings we learn to love. Nurturing means providing nourishment, care, and protection. Aging means growing old. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. Pick up the pieces means return to normal after a shock or disaster. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. Cherish means hold something as very dear and of great value. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen, and all our hopes and dreams are within reach, if only we believe. Within reach means possible to achieve. B.J. Mobitzer.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।